show you, look, it's still going on. Look. Someone has come and put a device on the track that echoes through the whole house. Listen, that's 6 days nearly constantly every day, the whole 24/7. Doesn't it seem to you like there's foreign influence into our community? I would say that that's foreign influence. Listen. The trains, that's one thing, you get used to that. They just come and go very quickly. Someone's actually put a device onto the tracks that is just irritating the whole neighbourhood. Look, it's completely ruined the peace. You can't sit down now because it echoes all through our dining room here. Incredible. What's happened within the last 6 months? I've been living here 4.5 years, and in the last 6 months, with all of this noise and chaos, you have to say that I hope someone from Parliament is going to watch this. There's no point contacting councillors, etc. over these matters. They're so busy and tied up with so many things. So I just document it on YouTube, hoping one day someone's going to view all of this. I've called the council about that, and it went for a little bit and it's come back again.